Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change time and date on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So here on your Windows, what you're going to do is you have to go to the search menu or start menu and then look for time and date. Open this one. Now you have to scroll down and then you should see the following here. So if you want to change your location or region, just go to this side and then select that specific location that you want to add here to your time and date setting. So once you have changed this one, in order also for you to change the time or date, then all you have to do is to turn this one off. And then here you have to click this and you can set the time and date. So basically that's it. You can change the year also if you want. Now to set the time and date manually, you can do it again by toggling on this button above right here. But this is how you easily change time and date on Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.